Hello, today's lesson is lesson 4-2 and the title is Arrays and Multiplication. You have already learned how to model equal groups with counters and multiply to find the product. Today you will learn how to use a different model for multiplication. Our learning target: I can use counters to model arrays and write multiplication sentences. Now we have a very important vocab word in this lesson. The word is array. Array means a way of displaying objects in equal rows. One of the things I pointed out to the students when we were looking at this slide was that each of these rows have an equal number of counters or dots in them. There's 6 counters in this row, and there's an equal number in this row, 6 here. There's 6 more in the next row and 6 more in the last of the 4 rows. The other thing I talked about when we looked at this slide was that the first number in the multiplication sentence, 4 times 6, the first number is the number that goes down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the second number is the number that goes across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This shows an array with the same number of counters, but they're turned on their side. We have 6 going down now and 4 going across. Either way, they're both in equal rows. They're the same number of counters in each row on this array, so it shows equal rows, equal groups, equal rows. That's what this woman's pointing out. The 4 by 6 array shows 4 dots down, 6 dots across. The 6 by 4 array shows 6 dots down, 4 dots across. We looked at our classroom. What's the array here of the desks? We saw that there were 3 rows and there were 7 desks in each row. It's a 3 by 7 array. We talked about other things that are shown in arrays. So not just class desks, but also eggs are sold in an array, 6 by 2, or I should say 2 by 6 array. Stamps are sold in an array. Students pointed out that the window panes are in an array. Our cubbies are in an array. Once we started looking for arrays, we saw them everywhere. Here is a question we puzzled over. Mark put sports cards in an album. He put 4 rows of cards on each page. He puts 3 cards in each row. How many cards are on each page? Students were drawing this problem and writing a multiplication sentence to solve. 4 down, 3 across, like in the picture there. And the multiplication sentence would show the number that goes down, and then it would show the number that goes across as well. So 4 down, 3 across. The sentence is 4 times 3. We practiced with this. We practiced another one with some cookies. Miss Knirk made cookies on the baking sheet. She made 4 rows of cookies. She put 6 cookies in each row. Write and solve the multiplication sentence for this problem and draw the array of cookies on the baking sheet. So I should see 4 times 6 equals 24 for the multiplication sentence, and I should see cookies that have 4 rows, an array that has 4 rows with 6 in each row. Practice with this page. Here's another one. Draw the array, write the product. You can do this at home right now. Pause the video. And that was it for today.